Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essentials. Make sure your phone has a data plan and enough battery, and your PC's Wi-Fi adapter drivers are current. On the phone, enable the mobile hotspot and set a clear SSID and secure password so devices can find it. Once done, pick a band 2. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and note the password. You're taking these first steps because a reliable source and correct settings prevent connection failures later on. Now connect the PC. Open Wi-Fi settings, find the hotspot SSID you set, and enter the password. On Windows, go Settings right arrow Network and Internet right arrow Wi-Fi to manage connections and preferred networks. On Mac OS, use the Wi-Fi menu. If you need stability or want to save battery on the phone, connect via USB and enable USB tethering in the phone's network settings. This also bypasses wireless interference. Make sure you're finished by testing the connection. Load a web page and run a quick speed check to verify throughput. If something fails, restart the phone hotspot and the PC. That often clears DHCP or DNS hiccups. Make adjustments like switching bands or using USB tethering if wireless is unstable. If issues persist, toggle airplane mode briefly on the phone to reset radios. One key troubleshooting tip: if the PC won't get internet, check the phone's data quota and carrier tethering permissions. Blocked tethering or exhausted data is a common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.